All right, today I'm porting over Jeffrey Thompson's code to do point rectangle detection, collision detection. And the original code is written, I believe, in a language called processing, which is compiled to JavaScript. You can take a look here. There's more information. I'm just concerned about porting over to QBASIC. Jeffrey has a good bit of information on the collision detection for various types of objects. This one is the point rectangle and also rectangle. These are the two that I'll be porting to QBasic today. And let's jump to my code here. Let's open up point rectangle. So if we run this, you can see a red dot that I'm moving around. If it hits the borders or goes inside the big rectangle, we have a collision. And you can test this out on all the borders. It works the same way. So let's take a look at the code here. It's very short. It's just this right here. That's all there is to it. And if we open up the other example, this is the rectangle collision. And I have two rectangles, a small rectangle, which I can size, make it smaller or bigger, and move that around. You can use this type of collision detection to make games like Space Invaders or Frogger, where two objects collide and they have more of a rectangular type of shape you're trying to detect. So let's take a look at this code here. And again, very simple, just these lines here. So as long as you input uh, your two rectangles that you're trying to check if they collide, this little bit of math here will tell you if they've collided. And now you see a lot of flicker, and that's because I'm not using double buffering, but that may be something you can implement in your programs. And I think that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.